Okay, welcome to the part of the whole ITX box build where I cut a motherboard in half, well, into 3 pieces, and maybe cut my hand off by mistake. I'd rather not do that bit, to be honest. I just want to do the motherboard, not my hands. You may notice I have a motorcycle jacket on. There's a reason for that. I haven't got any other jacket to wear to sort of protect my arms. So, just in case the whole Dremel thing flies off and tries to kill me. Oh, and one extra thing, I'm going to be using the extension. I also have some goggles on. Hey! This little section's going first, then this section, and then this long bit, whatever's left in the middle. Let's get on to it. Got a bit full speed, just like H. So that is part 1. That's actually not bad as a thing. That's really not that bad at all. I'm surprised, well, I'm happy that the end of the Dremel, the actual blade itself, like the flat end, can actually be used to sort of sand it down a bit, which is always nice. So that's one bit. I'm actually quite happy with that. As the thing, still, got a bit of strength in it. I'm going to be putting hot glue all along it, all along the edges that I've cut, and then as well in these little, all those little holes there. Possibly through here as well, just in case there is some metal shards. Because this bit here, so you see it's sort of folded over. If there's a metal fragment, a shard, fibre, whatever you want to call it, under there. And then when I build the system, if that gets dislodged somehow, I could get on the motherboard and short it out and break everything. So I'm probably going to put hot glue around here as well, just in case anything goes wrong. But yeah, I'm happy with this. For my first sort of proper, case mod, custom case build thing, using a Dremel and stuff, that's not bad. I'm happy with that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Follow me on Twitter, do all that other stuff, comment, subscribe, whatever. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video when I do something with this. Probably test fitting it in the Xbox and then making sure, it'll actually, I can seal it back up. So yeah, very happy with this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.